Are you looking for a great RV park in Lubbock, Texas?
Well, Mesa Verde RV Park is just that.
That's what we're fixing to show you. Hey y'all, I'm Cole.
And I'm Dawn.
And we're younger every day.
On this channel, we take on amazing adventures, do product reviews, and share tips and tricks for RV living, just like this one.
If you haven't seen some of our other videos, you can click right up here to check them out. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified every time we post a new video.
Today, we're going to share with you our quick review of Mesa Verde RV Park in Lubbock, Texas. Technically Wolfforth, but more Lubbock.
We really like it there.
It's nice.
Let's check it out. So we're in Lubbock, and we stayed last night in Mesa Verde. Mesa Verde is a nice park in Wolfforth outside of Lubbock in West Texas, and they are part of Passport America. Not a sponsor. Not yet.
That's his favorite phrase, I think.
You can get a nice discount there with your Passport America, or here rather, so that's nice.
Or Sam's Club.
Or Good Sam.
Dang it.
I don't think they give you a discount for Sam's Club. Or Costco. Although, hey, Costco, you should listen, you know, Sam's Club.
Also with Good Sam. They also do a Good Sam discount, which is what we're using today.
Yes. Oh, we are?
Sunday. Or it's Saturday night. Saturdays, you can't use Passport
Oh, no,
America.
Passport America. Oh, so I was mistaken. Passport America was Friday night. Okay, very good.
But they do have Passport America, just not on Saturdays.
Yeah, okay.
So Mesa Verde is a cool place. It's very near Lubbock, but not like in the big middle of everything. But this park has huge spots, which is really nice to me. Sometimes it's really hard to park both vehicles along with the trailer, but we're plenty in the spot and had lots of room for both of our vehicles. They're really they're plenty wide for the trailer, and then they're plenty long for the trailer, and then wide enough for us to park both vehicles. So
I mean, we
awesome.
could add like 3 more vehicles with us. We could add a party. We could add people over if we...
Connor and Haley aren't allowed to drive yet. So.
Okay, yeah. Well, I'm just mean, we could have people we know in Lubbock over at 12:30 last night. That could have been fun.
I'm sure people would have appreciated that. But it's nice, big spots, level, well maintained, so that's cool. Mm-hmm. We got in after they closed, and so they had our names up on the wall, on the door, and a nice map for us to follow to get to our spot, so that was cool. So if you're looking for a place to park your RV in Lubbock, Texas, or actually in Wolfforth, then you should check out Mesa Verde RV Park. It's really nice. We enjoyed staying there, and you know, my family stayed there for like a month or more while my grandmother was in the hospital, and they enjoyed it. You know, it's West Texas though, so don't expect a lot of green grass, although, you know, in the spring there's green grass. They have a pool, and you know, it's just an easily accessible place to go, and a good price too. Yep. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up to tell us you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, I hope you'll check out some of our other videos over there. So, staying in an RV park in Lubbock, Texas, and getting confused as to whether or not we're using Passport America or Sam's Club or Costco or Good Sam's discount, it's just another way that we're living younger every day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.